In today's video, I am going to teach you how to post Facebook story using Hootsuite. If you are new to creating stories on Facebook, do not worry. The process is fairly quick once you know where the buttons are. In this tutorial, you will follow the same basic actions from start to finish, from opening the composer to publishing your story or scheduling it for later. First, click Create. This is the point where Hootsuite lets you begin composing a new post. When you click Create, take a moment to watch for the Post Composer window to appear on your screen. This area is where you set the destination and choose what type of content you will share. If you do not see the composer right away, make sure you are in the correct section for publishing content and not in an analytics or reporting view. Next, select your Facebook page. This is important because Hootsuite can manage multiple pages, depending on your account setup. When you select the Facebook page, look for the correct page name or profile. Make sure the page you choose is the one you want your story to appear on. This helps avoid posting to the wrong audience and make sure the story shows up under the right page. Now, upload your photo or video. This is where you add the actual media for your story. In the composer, you should see an option to add media, such as an upload button or an area that supports attaching a file. Choose the photo or video you want to use, then wait for it to finish loading. If your file takes a moment to upload, that is normal. Just stay on the screen until the media appears clearly in the preview area. This step ensures your content is published in the correct format. Stories behave differently than regular posts. They appear in the story format and are typically designed for a vertical, full-screen viewing experience. When you change the post type, verify that the interface updates to reflect a story configuration. If there are any story-specific options or previews, make sure those elements match what you intend to post. Once your media is set and the post type is confirmed as story, click Post Now or Schedule. This final step controls when your story goes live. If you click Post Now, your story will publish immediately, as long as everything is ready and approved by the system. If you click Schedule, you can choose a time in the future, which is useful when you want to coordinate posting with an event, an announcement, or when your audience is most active. Before you finalize, it can help to take a short moment to review what you have set. Look at the preview to confirm the photo or video is displaying correctly and that the story type is selected. This quick check helps you catch mistakes early, such as uploading the wrong file or accidentally leaving the post type set to something else. When you are satisfied, go ahead with your chosen option, either Post Now for immediate publishing or Schedule if you want to plan ahead. After you publish or schedule, Hootsuite will handle the delivery to your selected Facebook page. You should be able to return to your publishing queue or view confirmation details, depending on how your dashboard is set up, and that covers everything you need to know. You clicked Create, selected your Facebook page, uploaded your photo or video, switched the post type to story, and then chose whether to post now or schedule for later. And that is all there is to it.